masts to so that you can hardly see across the street. But those things, lights. There they get moving pretty good. There are people going. I just don't. I had a hard time seeing my way. I got to the lights and then I made a turn and I parked myself behind this building over here. No. This is the hotel I got. Hotel room. My.
There were dozens of reported tornadoes.
Some water. Still got 2 left. I think I'll be okay. Need to bring that home. There's the bathroom at the Superior Inn. Oh, the weather.
Millions of people lost power from the Carolinas to the Northeast. Tree after tree after tree falling onto homes and tearing down power lines.
Yeah, getting ready. It's 10:41 right now. And got to be out by noon. Got my coffee, my iced tea. And there I am. What a mess. What a mess.